Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is my job. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence with me. My job in office is interesting. I work from Monday to Friday, from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. Then I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. My job involves using the computer a lot. I check my emails and reply to them. I also attend meetings with my team to discuss our projects and share ideas. It's important to be organized and meet deadlines in my job. During lunch break, I go to the office cafeteria and have lunch with my colleagues. We talk and relax for a while before getting back to work. I feel satisfied when complete my tasks and contribute to the success of the company. My job in the office keeps me busy, but I find it fulfilling and rewarding. Well done, learners. I hope enjoy today's lesson. If you like the video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good day, everyone.